This is the structure of builder pattern. We will see how this is implemented in Swift source. Here is the class director. It has variable builder of type builder, and this is the method set builder with parameter obj of type builder. Inside this we are setting variable builder with this parameter obj, and here is the method construct with parameter name of type string. Inside this it has construction logic for building the product. So these statements have construction logic for building the product. So if name is equal to product1, then it calls the method create of builder, and then it calls the method build part A and build part B to build the parts of the product. And here it checks if name is equal to product2, then it calls the method create to build the product, and then it calls the method build part C and build part D for building the parts of the product. Okay, here is the protocol builder. It has methods create, build part A, build part B, build part C, and build part D. So these methods will be defined in its subclasses. Here is the subclass concrete builder 1 derived from builder. It has variable product of type product1, and this is the method create. Inside this it creates the object of product1, and that object is assigned to variable product. And here it implements the methods build part A, build part B, build part C, and build part D for building the parts of the product. And here is the method get product, return type is product1. Inside this it returns the variable product value. And here is the subclass concrete builder 2 derived from builder, and here is the variable product of type product2, and here is the method create. Inside this it creates the object of product2, and that object is assigned to variable product. And here it implements the methods build part A, build part B, build part C, and build part D for building the parts of the product. And here is the method get product, return type is product2. Inside this it returns the variable product value. Okay, here is the class product1. Inside this we have method use product, and this method is just a method of product1 for using the product. And here is the class product2. It has method use product for using the product. Here we are just displaying these statements. Okay, we will see how all these classes are used. Here we are creating the director object, and we are assigning it to variable director of type director. And here is the variable prod1 of type product1, and here we are creating concrete builder 1 object, and we are assigning it to variable builder 1 of type concrete builder 1. And here we are calling the method set builder of director, and we are passing variable builder 1 as parameter. Builder 1 is pointing to concrete builder 1 object, so it will go to director set builder. So it will come here, it will set the past parameter which is builder 1, which is pointing to concrete builder 1 object. So it will set the variable builder with concrete builder 1 object. Okay, then it is calling the method construct, and it is passing product 1 string as parameter. So it will go to director construct. So it will come here. Parameter name is product1. So this condition is true. So it will call the method create of builder. Builder is pointing to concrete builder 1 object. So it will go to concrete builder 1 create, and here it will create the product 1 object, and that object will be assigned to variable product. So product has been created, and here we are calling the method build part A and build part B of builder. So it will go to concrete builder 1, build part A and build part B. So here is the build part A and build part B. So it will build the parts of the product inside these methods. Okay. So since name is equal to product1, so it will execute these statements for building. So construction logic for building the product 1 is here. Okay. And here it is calling the method get product of builder 1. So it will go to concrete builder 1 get product. So it will come here and it will return the variable product, which is pointing to product 1 object. So when the method use product is called, it will go to product 1 use product. So this method will be executed and it will display this statement inside product 1 use product. Similarly, here we have variable prod2 of type product2, and here we are creating concrete builder 2 object, and that object is assigned to variable builder 2, which is of type concrete builder 2, and here we are calling the method set builder of director, and we are passing builder 2 as parameter. So here we are setting the builder. So it will come here, and here the variable builder will be set with concrete builder 2 object, which is passed as parameter. And here we are calling the method construct, and we are passing the string product2 as parameter. So we'll come to director construct, and this time parameter value is product2, so it will go to else condition. This condition is true, and here it will call the method create of builder, which is concrete builder 2 object. Builder is pointing to concrete builder 2 object, so it will go to concrete builder 2 create. So it will come here. Here it will create the product 2 object, and that object will be assigned to variable product. Then it calls the method build part C and build part D of builder for building the parts of the product. So it will come to concrete builder 2, build part C and build part D will be executed for building the parts of the product. Okay. So these statements have construction logic for building product 2. Then it will call the method get product of builder 2. So it will go to concrete builder 2 get product. So it will come here and it will return the variable product value. So and that value is assigned to variable prod2. So prod2 is pointing to product2 object. So when the method use product is called here, so it will go to method use product of product2, and it will execute the statement inside this method. Here it is having only this statement. It will display inside product2 use product. So we can see with this pattern we are able to build the product in parts, and we have construction logic here which is separate.